Well, many businesses are closing for adjusting their practices to help limit the spread of COVID-19. But one person-to-person industry is still going strong to help people living in pain and also help take some of the demand away from emergency care. Couple Land's Bridget Bennett has more on how chiropractors are adjusting their business during the pandemic in tonight's Your Money Matters.
Back and neck pain don't take a break during this pandemic.
That's our primary role right now, is making sure that people aren't going to those emergency rooms and urgent cares, so with the neck aches, the migraines, the back pain, things like that, so that we can take the burden off of them and so that they can really take care of the people who are in most critical need at this point in time right now.
Chiropractors are continuing to treat patients to help relieve the burden on other healthcare providers, while also helping people in pain cope.
People who are under a lot of stress, who are unable to get a lot of sleep at night, and just people in pain in general, their immune system is definitely decreased.
Despite the benefits, some patients at higher risk for coronavirus have been skipping treatments to avoid any kind of exposure.
I missed my last appointment and I could definitely tell I was in desperate need of one.
For patients dealing with back or neck pain who don't want to go inside, they've created a way for you to get an adjustment outside with fewer people contacting you.
We do have some of those patients who are elderly and immunocompromised, so we're taking this as an opportunity. We're still using all the CDC precautions for cleanliness and precautionary screening so that we can see our patients inside our clinic, but we thought this would be a great opportunity to continue to see patients outside the clinic.
Patients using Oyen Chiropractic's new outdoor treatments can check in right from their vehicle and head to the outdoor treatment center for an adjustment.
Well, the only people that are going to be out here are going to be myself and then the patient themselves. If there is another patient waiting, more than likely, they'll just continue to wait in their car.
A great way to limit exposure while still getting the help patients need during the warmer weather.
This was actually really awesome. Just feeling the sun on my face it made me feel really good, and being outside, I mean, we've been cooped up, so being outside really feels amazing.
With Your Money Matters, I'm Bridget Bennett.
Yeah, take it outdoors. Chiropractors also are screening for any possible signs of coronavirus before treating patients, along with disinfecting their treatment centers between each patient.